Hello, so this is an unboxing video of the Final Fantasy VII Remake Deluxe Edition. This is the European version. It just arrived today from a local retailer here in Romania. I kind of expected like a bigger box for this, but it's a pretty compact box. It was actually quite a hassle to get the deluxe edition delivered in Romania. I also saw that here locally, even the regular version is kind of selling out quite fast. I guess also is because of the current situation that distribution is having some issues. I saw here on the box, I'm sorry, but I do not believe I have the technical capabilities to focus this in, but this is made in Austria. So, yeah, it's a PlayStation 4 1 year exclusive. I guess this should also be supported by the new PS5 if it comes out during the holidays this year. So, yeah, let's open it. Okay. I'm just gonna use one of these to do it. Let me try and cut this plastic without damaging the actual box, as I intend to keep this for my collection. No, pretty cool. Yeah. So yeah, let's see what's in the box. Let me put this back to the box and get it out of the way so I don't get myself hurt. Cool. So let's open the box and see what we received here. So I actually know the box contents because those were listed like even on the Square Enix site and also on all the retailer site. So we have here like the normal PS4 disc. Actually, these should be like 2 discs included in here. It says here not to be sold separately, just because this is the deluxe edition. Okay. Okay, so this is all. The box is quite empty. So here we have the Sephiroth Steelbook. Let's open it up. Perfect, just 2 slots for 2 Blu-rays. I don't know what the coating on this is, but it doesn't feel like steel, more like plastic book edition. Okay. Here we have like this very nice agenda-like art book. Very cool. Let's put it here with. And here we have like this mini soundtrack CD, which I believe is also very cool. I think it's yeah, it's here, it's the European version. It says it's made in EU, but I guess it should be the same for other regions. Anyway, so we have mini soundtrack CD, art book, which looks very cool. Also the steelbooks looks very cool. I think it's just the coating. I think it's actually steel and not plastic, but I think it's just the coating that with the matte finish that makes it feels like plastic. And here we have the let's open it up to see. I never owned a dual disc case before for the PlayStation 4. Let me okay, let's use the tool once more. Okay, let's see, just Just a little bit to grab it. Okay. I am not a big fan of these plastic wrappings. Just get this out of the way, put the thingy back to its place here. And okay, this is the, let's open it slowly. Ah, very nice. So look, it has this flip thing, and let's see what else have we got here. So cool. So this is just like that's the product registration card. I will have to double check, and this is like other promo codes. I will just have to check those, and in case those are visible, to get those out of the video. Okay, I guess this is all. So thank you for watching. Thanks.